Hi guys, welcome to Easy Maths Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to divide a decimal by a whole number. Now decimals are already very scary, let alone pairing it with division. So let me see how I can make it easy for you. If I look at my very first example, I can see that I've got 8.4 divided by 7. Now because I'm dividing by 7, I am going to start off by writing down my 7 times tables. My 7 times tables will help me to answer a division problem. Next thing I'm going to do is to write it down as a bus stop method. And you can see I've got my decimal point right here, so I'm going to duplicate it right at the top so that my two decimal points are aligned. So 7 goes into 8. Let me look at my times tables. Yes, it does, but it will leave me with a remainder. So 7 goes into 8 once, remainder of 1. Now 7 goes into 14. Let's look here, once, twice, and twice. So 8.4 divided by 7 is 1.2. Let's look at the next one. So this time I've got 5.58 and I'm dividing by 9. So I'm going to write down the 9 times tables. I'm going to show you an easy way of how to do it so you don't have to remember too much. So I'm going to start off by writing 0 all the way to 9 upside down. So from the bottom to the top, 0 all the way to 9. I'm then going to repeat it, but this time from the top to the bottom. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way to the bottom. And this is my 9 times table. So I've got 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on and so forth, all the way to 9 times 10, which is 90. Now, let's look at this one again. So I'm now going to write 5.58 divided by 9 as a bus stop method. And the first thing I'm going to do, take my decimal point and duplicate it at the top. So 9 goes into 5. Well, if I look here, 9 does not go into 5. So I need to put in 0. Now I cannot throw this 5 away. So I'm going to pair it up with the one next to it. So 5 and 5, I'm going to read it as 55. So 9 goes into 55. Let's have a look. 9 goes into 55. I got 54. That's close enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 9 goes into 55 6 times, but because it was 54, I have 55. I have a remainder of 1. Then 9 goes into 18. Have a look on the table. Twice. And there we go. So 5.58 divided by 9 is 0.62. Let's have a look at the last example. So I'm just going to get a pen out and I'm going to write down my 3 times table. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. I think that should be enough. And then the next thing I need to do is to write this as a bus stop method. So I'm going to use this big white space in the middle. So 3, and then I've got 0.156. The first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate my decimal point right here. Now, 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 3 goes into 1, also 0 times. But 3 can go into 15 once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, no remainders. And then 3 goes into 6 once, twice, again no remainders. And there you go. So 0.156 divided by 3 is equal to 0.052. Have a go at these ones. Press pause. When you're ready, press play, and then I will give you the answers. There we go. So 7.5 divided by 3 is 2.5. 2.45 divided by 5 is 0.49. And the last one, 0.396 divided by 4 is 0.099. I hope you are now more confident on dividing by decimals. I will see you next time.